Just
I'm glad that they're liking it.
Don't go off exploring by yourself, okay? You will? Are you sure? Oh.
I said I will.
Now, if they
She's with
have,
Eva and Bailey.
Eva, you got it?
if they've had enough and they don't want to do the rest, it's okay, because you can always come back. All
I think
right.
it's mostly the grown-ups who are done.
Yeah, well, that's,
Which is enough. You know, if you start telling us, like, okay, we're gonna start making our way to the cave, they'll just listen.
okay, all right.
Which is what I would like.
Okay, we could start doing it, because
Yeah, let's start doing
from
that.
here, it gets tight
Yeah.
for a little bit, and then kind of rocky, big rocks to climb over, and,
Do I have any more over there?
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. Your daughter's
Mine's in there.
Mine is up behind her. Yeah, behind her.
You can explore. Go ahead.
Yeah, go.
There's no place for you to fall off in here, really.
Some of them will turn around back into this hallway, if not just come back through.
So we're gonna go up
wanna
here
come back?
and start fading out. And what I can do is the ones that still wanna do something,
Autumn?
Yeah,
we'll
Are you
do
sure?
another
yeah, I'm sure.
Okay.
passage going out that they can play in.
Oh,
Are you, oh, this is the rabbit hole he
I
talked
see.
about.
Yeah,
He came down face first if you want to come down on the picture.
Wait, that looks. Wait, where?
Thinking, that's good, I got it. Yeah, we're good. It's a little blurry, but it's good. It was good. Coming back in? Yeah.
Wait, you can slide down.
Yeah, he came down on his belly.
that's where I came in.
Oh, yeah, and I followed you.
Yeah.
I did that
This is
too.
where we were walking to get to the keyhole.
I took that shortcut on them.
Miss Dina, where's the bottom?
You're coming.
Oh yeah.
You got it?
Yeah. I was confused, I didn't know
Hey,
how to
Madeline, can you take your backpack back?
Can we pass it to me?
Sorry, it's throwing me off balance.
All right. Okay.
I think I has mine.
You might have given it to Miss Stacy also.
I hope so.
Oh goodness, what's down there? That's awful. What? That goes down in around too. Could you cross
Yeah.
Autumn, someone in there?
Yeah.
Everybody's in there.
Okay.
No, we're cave bear faces.
Although I can do that.
Oh, that's actually really scary.
Really, Jesse?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh, wow.
That is.
I didn't know that was back to where we
That
started.
is deadly. That's where we
Is that, Eva, are you going down there?
Are we allowed to go this way?
I'm trying to think if there's an easy way out and around. I don't want to get too separated right now. You know what? If we start heading out this way, there's a lot involved there, okay? If we go back this way, I can get the people that would like to go out going, and then do a side track for those that still want to do a climb, okay? A climb and then a crawl, or a walk, crawl, and a climb, or whatever you feel like doing.
Keep going out.
All right, we are going that way, love.
You will.
Did anybody check this one out?
Oh, Madeline, there's a pretty cool.
Autumn.
Madeline, there's a pretty cool one to check out.
Check out.
I don't know if anybody went down there. I think it goes around, I'm not sure.
Horrifying.
I know, I'm with you.
But it looks like it goes down there.
We'll get them tired.
There's 3 going, you 3 are buddies. Make sure you can always see
Yes.
each other, okay?
Okay. I'll be rear guard.
Nice. I won't complain about Autumn in the middle.
I'm gonna
How old is she?
8. She's a brave soul. I know, right? But she's also cautious. Like the one move she wasn't comfortable doing, and she was consent.
That was good.
This way so I
That
can
was
see.
good.
I'll get your photo. All right, so girls, can you make it so that you can see my camera? And say cheese. You're blocking Eva's arm. I mean face with your arm. Can you smile?
come, can't see your face. Tell me to take one.
What other places are there to explore?
What's in there? Nothing? Just.
This is just choke out and,
Yeah.
and, okay.
Just a little hole.
I don't know.
He didn't know because he can't fit. So you
Yeah.
guys had to explore for him.
We're all
You are awesome.
You guys are doing some amazing things.
You are amazing.
Okay, we got everybody out of there? Okay, we're gonna go out this way. See, from here, it's all big rocks.
Could you imagine your mom and dad climbing through this cave? No. It would be worse.
Where's those three? Those three again.
Madeline, we need someone small.
Come here. Go see what's in there.
This just made their day.
How far does that go?
He's like, we need explorers.
Yeah,
This just made their day when you're like, we need explorers.
yeah.
It's on. Said he didn't go around.
No.
Go see. Go see how far it goes.
Yeah. Tell me what's in there, and I'm not coming.
At least I am not going to do that in a cave like this again. I prefer the ones with railings and doors. I mean, this is very fun, but I am not.
This is a lot of
So
work.
count me out for any more volunteers. No, I enjoyed myself, I did, but
Once and done?
physically,
Your strap.
this is very physically demanding.
Very, very.
Physically more than I knew I wasn't going to be enough for this, but I was like, well, I like the hike.
Guys, what's in there?
But you can say you did it. And you,
Yes,
and you got
absolutely.
proof.
Yeah,
And you proved. That's the important thing.
I'm just saying I probably won't volunteer for
It's kind of the amount of work that I spend doing the highway course with the kids all day. It's the same kind of physical energy.
Well, and her mom was supposed to come, but she has like a bad back, and she backed out, and then there was nobody else to volunteer. So I was like, oh, all right, well, I'll go, but I didn't sign up for it because I can only like hike small areas right now.
How'd you guys get over there?
Now you have to tell the girl,
Did you really not know?
mom and dad who didn't, or mom and girl who didn't come, you're like,
I'm trying to get it.
Before Avery starts, right?
She didn't help giving up yet.
Well, you can go
You got it?
right?
yeah, it's more of a slope from here. Do you want me to go through?
I don't
I don't know if we're at that point
I
yet.
think there's.
We're heading out.
Yeah, I just didn't know if we were ready yet.
Okay, I think some of them are going to be.
Autumn, you can't go with our buddy. Well, she wasn't going.
Oh, okay.
Either you both go or you both go.
I think they're coming back.
We hope.
Autumn, don't get lost. Don't go too many different ways.
They're following us here.
Oh, right here.
Just thinking about it. It's like thinking about it.
Your arm crawling. That's amazing. What time is it? I thought they were.
We've been underground like 2.5 hours. It's not bad at all. It's all at the cave.
Really? Well, we did good then. Look at us doing it. No, we're done.
No, we're going out now.
Don't get down. We're going
They
that way.
love this.
Yes.
Good, good.
You okay, Avery?
I got a choice of where I want to send them.
That's it. We can't get back around, sadly.
cool to see you pop out of nowhere.
Bailey's just covering her.
There's another trail over there in the thing.
Trail.
There's another one.
All kinds of holes in this place.
Right?
There's one there.
I take a light touch, you turn your lights back on.
Yeah, I want to.
So he wants to connect those paths. I'm sure other guys that really use this thing.
Yeah, there's other people that well, the NSS members, he only lets NSS members in, or he allows me to bring in scout groups. But that's pretty much it.
But you can't just bring in other groups, only scouts.
I've gotten away with it.
Right.
January did a trip with, it was an alumni scouts. So I just counted it as a scout trip.
It's a scout trip, yeah. Well, that's cool. It's cool you kind of maintained it. Like making new houses and stuff.
Yeah,
But he's just really into it.
oh, very much.
Did he buy the property because of it?
Yes.
Got it.
He wanted to conserve the cave,
Oh, that's cool.
just to keep the cave for educational purposes.
Right. Oh, I love that.
And this, as far as, it's not pretty, but is,
You alright, Missy?
as far as feet and passage, 2,400 square, linear feet of passage is pretty significant for Pennsylvania.
Right.
I mean, if you, Crystal Cave doesn't have that many passages in it.
Right. No. Well, I don't
No,
know.
but it's pretty.
It's commercial. Right.
It is pretty. It's got some of the best formations I've ever seen.
But this. She likes this.
Just like a giant McDonald's playground.
I've never taken her to McDonald's. She's never been.
Good.
So like this is her McDonald's.
Yes, there's a playground.
Because she's never been.
Well, Gary, if you wanna, I've got other trips.
Oh yeah?
If you wanna come back
Aw.
and do it, just, you know.
Sweet. She loves it.
Well, you know, it's helpful to me too. And if you've done it once, you guys have some experience with it.
Right.
Yeah, I got somebody to help me.
Oh yeah, for sure. Well, if I feel like I can help too, that's.
Well,
Yeah,
at
that was like
the very least, go out and call 911 if I pass out.
Right.
Yeah. It makes the time go split up a group, because I've had help.
Right. And this supposed to go up?
I was gonna say, it's around this way. But that's all right. Go around there already. Okay, how are we doing, guys?
I heard my kid. Good? Yeah.
Can I get out in front here? And I'm going to show you which way we're going to go.
Does everybody have their buddies? Everyone is accounted for? No one is lost in the cave.
Yeah. All right, everybody now. I'm getting tired. Okay, we got everybody? Yeah. Okay. This passage is slick. It's not flat at all.
Okay.
Please keep your hands on the sides, otherwise you'll fall down these holes. And I'm getting a little too old to drag people out of there.
Oh.
Okay, we're going to go this way. I'm going to spot you up. Can we get up?
I don't really want to go first.
No?
No, can you go? I'll go second.
Yeah. Is it just lighting up the place?
I'll shoot.
Some people don't like that. You don't like being the first one to lighting up a room. There was this kid that was caving with me for like 5 years. And I finally let her be the last one out. And she was so freaked. Nothing ever scared her. But being the last one out, she said it was too dark, too quiet, and too long. Huh? Oh!
How do they go from this thing to?
Okay, go to the hallway where you're standing up. There's a hallway where you're standing.
Oh, you want me to shoot you a boost and do that whole thing?
Yeah, on him. Yeah, hold it. Go check it out.
We want to get each other's phone numbers.
You'll both fit.
Okay.
You'll both fit.
I'm gonna go ahead and put you.
I'm not worried.
Wait, can you get out? If it's too steep on them, don't keep going.
Is there a way to turn around?
Yeah, you should be able to turn around in there.
Well, they
If you
can.
go in far
They
enough.
come out.
Somewhere? There's a park.
Now, it goes in, it's just like, it's a couple of little spaces you can sit in and come right back out.
Come back out the hole.
Yeah.
Don't go so far your legs.
I just wanted to keep them busy while got everybody else
Get a
out.
step over you, don't move.
Yep.
We're headed up there until we can stand up.
Good choice, my
I'm
love.
gonna find another, I got another hole for them to go into.
Smart choice. Where is this one?
Smart choice, my
That
girl.
heads out, but you have to climb out. If you wanna do that, you can do that.
Do what?
Straight?
You go down and then you climb up out of it and then you follow the passage.
Narrow.
And then what's that?
Does it get narrow?
No, not really. It's just a bear to climb out of. And
I'm okay with climbing, I just don't want
Okay.
to get wedged.
just follow the path and you'll find the
Well, I
the
can't go
room.
alone, so.
The room with the
I'm not, I'll die.
I got.
are you alright?
Where? Yup.
To go out that climb.
There's a cool exploration hall. You wanna go? Yeah.
Oh, he's got something else for you, Autumn.
And her, we're probably good.
Yeah. Who else was with their?
Yeah.
Oh,
with their-
there was
I'm
another,
alone, so I'm coming, you're coming? Wait, okay.
there was another
I'm
girl.
on.
Who was the other girl? Natalie. Do they wanna go? Where's,
Bailey's coming.
We're gonna go over, everybody's gonna go and till we're standing up. Now, we got a couple of people that are gonna go down there to do
Are
that.
they gonna come out the same place?
Yeah,